Hey guys, welcome back to Outlaw Dreams Garage. Today, we're going to be working on my 1970 Chevelle. I'm going to put a sending unit in the fuel tank and clear out the fuel lines all the way up to the pump. Get it running right today. This wire for the sending unit tells you what your fuel level is. It kind of come off on its own. It's not on there real well. It's just press fit on. So that's not a big deal. Make sure it's back on there when we put it in. Try our best to keep the dirt and dust out of it. That's that. There's some rust in there. It's filling on its own. Oh, I'm running out of gas. Make me full. Give me a full tank. It's getting there. It's getting there. Oh. Ah, it's full. Oh, I used too much. Now it's up. It's coming back. Yeah, 20 gallons goes pretty quick. my miniature hardware store. And today, looking for plants. Those are all way too big. That's it. Be serious, plant. Alright, that should hold it.
Remember, always use proper PPE. Your protective gear, like we do.
Close your eyes.
Just close your eyes. So don't burn your fingers. Try again.
Alright guys, we got the sending unit in and a piece of rubber line from the sending unit over to the steel line that runs along the frame.
Which was the cause of your whole problem,
Which
right?
was the entire problem. It was dry rotted and cracked and losing vacuum, so it wasn't getting fuel all the way up to the carburetor all the time. So now my fuel bowl stays full all the time, and I can put the pedal all the way to the floor and it doesn't cut out.
So does that wrap us up for today then?
I think that's going to wrap us up for today.
All right.
Tune in next time. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave your comments. We appreciate them. Thanks guys.